Hello, Red Knights. Mrs. Comley here, your library media specialist at Reading High. I just want to share with you our new Sora ebook platform and how to easily access that from your Chromebook. So you just need to head to the Google homepage and using the waffle of Google Apps here in the top right, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the Sora by Overdrive app. Looks just like this. Once you click, you are logged into the platform. You may have to sign into Google first if you haven't yet, but otherwise it will take you right to Sora. So once you're in Sora, you're going to see a few options here. If a teacher has assigned a book to you for class reading, it will show up right here. Otherwise, you can use these buttons here at the bottom. Home is where we have landed today. Explore is for you to check out all of the ebooks and audiobooks that we have in our system. And we have over 3,000 ebooks. They're going to show you immediately some of the options. If there are headphones underneath, that just lets you know that that is an audiobook. A lot of our books are also available as audiobooks. And then it breaks it down by popular subject. So if you really enjoy reading mysteries, you can click on mysteries and they will pop up immediately. And all you have to do in order to read a book is just click. It's going to give you a little bit of an information about the book. It will let you know how many copies are available, and kind of what area it falls under. So our genres here would be mystery and young adult fiction. You can read a sample if you'd like to preview it, or you can just click borrow and borrow the book. Once you borrow the book, you will have 2 weeks to read it. It will return automatically unless you choose to renew it. Once you land at home, when you sign into Sora, it will immediately show up under loans, or you can always go to shelf and it will show up there. Once you start reading the book, it will always pick up right where you left off, whether you're reading on your Chromebook or whether you're reading at home on your personal cell phone or personal tablet or personal device at home. It will just pick up across all devices wherever you left off as soon as you sign in. And you can see that it's as easy as just using your mouse to right click, or if you were on your phone, you would just be swiping or clicking on the right hand side of your screen. You can also bookmark any pages that are of any interest to you. Bookmarks appear right here, and a bookmark will appear. Anytime you add a bookmark, it will show up in your little reading log down here. You can also annotate the text or unlock other features within the text. For example, you can double click or just hold on a word. It will define the word for you if you're unsure of what it might mean. You can also hold and drag to highlight and annotate. You can make notes about what you're reading. And again, those notes will save here. Anytime you see a color, you know that that's a note. You can also click here. All of your bookmarks, highlights, and notes will pop up in one spot. Additionally, you can change the view. So right now it will only show me one page at a time instead of two. Can also change how the text appears. So maybe you want it larger, maybe you want to change the lighting so it's easier to read depending on what type of environment you're reading in. It even changes it so that the font is different. Many different options in here for that. We can hide that. And you can even search within a book if you're looking for a specific person's name or place. If you're reading nonfiction, if you're looking to see if a topic pops up, it will show you all of those options. So these are just some of the features of Sora. You can check out all of your additional settings. You can update your name and your picture, and it even will show you how many minutes you've read overall. You can create streaks with how many days that you read, and there are different achievements that you can unlock. So again, this is as easy as signing on to Google, heading to the Google Waffle, to the app, and checking out the Sora app. Now, one more option I do want to show you is to be able to download the app on your cell phone or device. And to do that, you want to head to our virtual library and media center. All you have to do is go to the high school page, Reading High, and our virtual library page is available under remote learning right here, virtual library. Under Let's Read, you will see Sora eBooks. This tutorial will appear here. In addition to that, you can connect directly to the platform by clicking here, and you're able to download the free app on your phone using one of these QR codes. So if you have an Apple device, you'd use this QR code, and if you have an Android device, you can use this one. I've also included a video from Sora that kind of just shows you how to connect to the app once you have it downloaded on your phone. If you have any questions at all, again, just head to the Library and Media Center page. Under More, there's a Contact tab, and that has all of my information with my Twitter as well as my email. So I'd love to hear from you. Have a great day, Red Knights.